name's Sonia, library assistant with Monterey County Free Libraries. Today, in celebration of Dia de los Muertos, Day of the Dead, we will be creating a Mexican nicho. To make your nicho box, you can use an Altoid container or a small gift box container. You can also use a sardine can. So what you do is you clean out your box or container, and you have a picture of your loved one, or you can also use a skull to represent Day of the Dead or any type of Day of the Dead artwork. If you have any flowers at hand or butterflies or anything that your loved one liked, you can have those ready. Here I have some food that my grandma always made. An oatmeal drink, avena, tamales, and the city where I would visit her, Tijuana. So the first step is you're gonna take your box or can and you're gonna outline it. And you're gonna cut around, but try to cut on the inside of the line so that you can have it fit snugly in your box. And you can glue this. Once you have that, you can glue it down. Okay, and then we're gonna take our picture, take your picture and place it where you would like inside the box. Then I'm gonna place the flowers on the bottom here. And for this, I'm gonna use a glue gun, but you can feel free to use any glue you like. Now that I've glued down my flowers, I'm gonna grab some ribbon. You can use ribbon, lace, or I have this one. This is a pearl ribbon. And I'm gonna measure out right here. Good. To there. So there's the ribbon, and then I'm gonna glue some butterflies. So I'm gonna glue some butterflies, and now I have completed this side of my niche, and I'm gonna complete the other side, which I've already lined up. And so you create a little keepsake box where you can close it. You can also create one in an Altoids box, and you can paint the outside if you wish.